In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove and add background music in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and choose Presentation or Video. This will open a new canvas where you can edit your project. To add background music, go to the left menu and click Audio. Canva has a large library of music tracks you can use in your designs. Browse the available tracks and click on one you like. The audio will automatically be added to your project timeline. You can move the audio track along the timeline or trim it so it starts and ends where you want in your video or presentation. If you want to remove background music, simply click on the audio track in the timeline at the bottom of the editor. Once the track is selected, press the delete key on your keyboard or click the delete option that appears in the toolbar. The music will be removed from your project immediately. You can repeat the same process anytime if you want to replace the music with a different track. When your project is ready, click Share and then Download to export your design with the final audio settings.